Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And in this video I'll share, so in the month of July itself in 2019, when I became his immediate neighbor of this twin flame. So as I was already going through a lot of painful situations and back-to-back incidents were happening, all of a sudden I realized my soul is asking me to do a strange thing, about this twin flame. It wanted me to, this soul wants to go out of my body and wants to stay with this twin flame all the time, even every second, wants to stay with him and wants to protect him and take care of him and guide him. So I said, how is this even possible? To do this, I will have to die. Then only, the soul can go out and stay with this person. And what is the guarantee if I die? Even though if I fulfill this, demand of yours or, whatever you are asking for, what if I will not be able to help him, after dying? So if I'm alive, I can still help him, because I have seen in movies, during my childhood, when somebody died, and that in the form of soul or as a spirit, this spirit is trying to, communicate to this person, and that human is not able to, see that soul and also not able to listen. Then how would I help him? And what if I have to give him some sort of, information about some people, as I knew he has been surrounded by, shittiest people like him only. So what if he will not be able to listen to me as a soul? And also I knew one thing, since I started working with this, twin flame in airline, I knew that this person is so scared of, entities and spirits. And he always, he cannot live or cannot sleep without switching on the lights. So this is I knew, and that I have seen while staying there. What if I die and start living as a soul with him, and he may get scared because as he's, scared of entities and spirits. But I realized one thing, that my soul was asking that I should come out of this body and to stay with this twin flame all the time, every second. I said, I don't understand, what it is trying to tell me. And this was happening for the first time. Before this, I never had to, struggle to understand what my soul was trying to guide me or trying to tell me. So I only understood this thing. Now, see, I got the clarity on this particular, incident, what my soul was trying to tell me after my spiritual awakening, that too after 3 months of the spiritual awakening. So as being a twin flame, what are your thoughts? What my soul was trying to guide me or trying to tell me? So I want you to comment me, reply me, because again, it is part of the inner work itself, and I have all the answers. So I want you to comment and tell me what are your thoughts on this. And also, when my soul, started asking me to stay with him as a soul all the time, since then I also had one more question that I will be asking or, sharing in upcoming video. That is again very important thing. But again, part of the inner work exercise. So it's a request, if you are a real twin flame, start commenting what are your thoughts on this particular topic.